Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as discussed, today I'm going to start the series of lectures with semiconductor physics. Even more people call this as EDC and some other thing like electronic devices will also be people will usually call. So usually the chronological name they use is semiconductor physics, even EDC or electronic devices, whatever things you can call it. So what are the things I'm going to cover in this subject is that the first part it will be basic, so that we will call as some basics of semiconductor physics. So basics of semiconductor physics. So this will be first thing. So here what we will discuss is that what is p type, n type, and how the semiconductor works. If temperature increases, how the behavior, how the mobility, charge distribution, those things we will be discussing here. And the second topic that what will be coming is the p-n junction diode. So as you guys know, p-n junction is the very basic foundation for your electronics career. So I will be explaining you this in a very super manner. So like practically how the current will be producing, how the other stuffs are working between those drift region, junction, mobility, velocity, drift, those things we will be discussing very detailedly. So p-n junction and some special diodes, those things also we will be covering here. And the third one is after the completion of p-n junction, we will be going to bijunctional transistor, so it is BJT. So BJT, bipolar junction transistor, everything we will be covering here. So after the completion of BJTs, each configuration and different modes of thing, we will be going to mass capacitor. Mass cap we will be saying. So mass capacitor we will be covering. So this will be foundation for the MOSFET. So once the mass capacitor you have a good foundation, then the MOSFET will be very good for you to understand. So after the MOS cap, we will be going to MOSFET. Then if we have time, then we will be going for IC fabrication. So IC fabrication, many of the competitive exam they removed, but we will be cover that to some extent. So don't worry. So this will be your foundation. So this will be your even this will be the syllabus in your colleges or any other thing. So if you guys go and search for the syllabus of EDC or semiconductor physics, this will be the 6 subtopics that we'll be having. So if you guys are preparing for gate examination, there will be for sure there will be 12% weightage. If your gate examination is for 100 marks, right? So 12 marks will be from EDC. So if you guys are preparing for IES, then there will be solid 25 to 30 marks. Half things will come from this particular session, these 6 topics. So once you guys completed this playlist, I am assured that you guys can secure these marks very easily. So books that what we can refer here is that the common books most of the guys will suggest is the I will suggest you 2 books. So if you are a college studying students, you can go through these things. So first book I will be suggesting is that Streetman and Banerjee. This is one famous book. And second book that you can refer is the Donald Neiman. So this is one of the most preferred book by all the college students. So Donald and Neiman. So this one is very good book. So this is what the topics that we will be covering in this entire series. So while covering the topics itself, I will be covering problems and other stuffs also. So I will be maintaining the playlist and I will modify the template based on the topics that what we'll be covering. So it will be very easy for you guys to follow. So in this in everything I will be covering in detail. So in special diode we'll be covering LED and solar and everything. All the cells we will be covering. So I won't miss any kind of any single topic. So it will be a complete set of preparation for you guys for even for colleges or core placement or any competitive exam. You not only GATE and IES and also ISRO, BARC, all many competitive exams ask these kind of things. So this is one of the very fundamental subject. So which will be there for triple E students, EC students, and also IN. So this is 3 students, 3 subject, 3 major. This subject is common. So it will be very much helpful if you guys are from these backgrounds. So okay, so in the next lecture we will be starting the basics of semiconductor physics. Thank you.